welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on the video today. Obviously we are in a new location. By now you guys should have seen the first episode of my new series, my Love Yourself series. If you haven't seen it, not Love Yourself, I'm sorry, Speak Yourself series. If you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. I just posted the video. Actually, I'll try to remember to leave a link in the description and make it easier for you guys to find, but go check out that series. I'm kind of explaining what's going on behind the scenes, and it's just really allowing you guys to see more about me and get a little bit more insight into my life. So yeah, go check that out if you haven't already. But yes, we are in a new location. I am in a new apartment, so go check that out. It's gonna be a fun time over there on that series, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Anyway, today we are reacting to Yoongi's little sound effects. This was recently posted by Squishing and Yoongi, and I've had it in my to watch list for a couple of days now. So I'm really excited to finally get a chance to watch this video with you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Yeah. His sound effects are so cute. Aww, look at him with the puppy. He's like, he sounds like a little baby. Look at his lips though. Wow, Namjoon is so extra with a high note. That is so silly. Aww. Why is Yoongi so freaking cute? Someone explain to me. He's so cute. Oh, my cheeks are starting to hurt from smiling so much. The way he went up. To be honest, I was looking at his butt, okay? I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this is loud. Like louder than normal. Yeah? His smile. The zombie. That scream he gave back to the girl, I cannot. The most iconic Yoongi scream ever. That whole episode. He's so cute. I cannot. Aw, baby was so happy to be chilling and cooking. That's it. Oh, that was shorter than I thought. I thought it was a longer video than that. I do have that Tay video in my queue to watch, so we'll react to that later. Oh. Yay, that was so cute. Well guys, that was my reaction to Yoongi's little sound effects. The boy obviously does a lot of sound effects. Not that I'm complaining. I enjoyed every single one of them. And I really thought the video was overflowing with cuteness. And he looked so adorable. And he sounded so adorable. And it's just always fun to see Yoongi like in a happy, sweet, goofy type of mood, because we all know that he can, you know, be kind of serious sometimes, a lot of the time. So it's always cute when he's like silly and playing and loud and goofing off with the members. So I really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys did as well. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I have consistently been putting out videos Monday through Friday. We'll see if that continues. But please click the bell to be notified when I post new episodes, just so that you guys don't miss any of them. I know YouTube sometimes doesn't let you guys know when your subscribers are posting, so make sure you click the bell. And also guys, leave a comment down below if you have any video suggestions, BTS hopefully suggestions that you want me to react to. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking on the video and watching with me today. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.